everyone, welcome to Machine Tip Tuesday. I'm here with Lisa, and Lisa's going to be telling us more about a hat hoop attachment for the embroidery. So here is Lisa.
Alright, so this is the hat hoop for the 6 needle or the 10 needle machine, or even the Alliance, the 1 needle machine. So what you need to do is you need to take this bracket off here, and what we're going to do is we're going to totally take these 2 middle screws out, because that is holding the brackets on to the machine. And then we're just going to loosen this one a little bit, and then we can just take that right off.
Start it out. And we're also on the this machine today.
Okay. And so now what we're going to do is here, this is our hat hoop. And what we're going to do here is we're going to take these middle screws out. These middle screws hold this all in place so it's not all over when you store it. So, and then these will be, well, we're going to reposition those screws here once we get it onto the machine.
Perfect. Lisa was saying too that she takes those off so she can slide it.
Yeah, and yeah, you got to take those off so you can slide that onto your machine here. Alrighty. So what we're going to do here is we're going to just bring these down here, slip that on. And then we're going to use this. We're going to take the small screws that we took off out of the middle, and we're going to place here on the outside edge. And then where there's some larger screws down here that were already on here, we're just going to take and we're going to tighten those up because they fit in some little slots underneath here. Okay, so now that is all attached. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our hat hoop here, okay, and we're going to slide it on. I already have it on here, so what we're going to do is we're going to slide it on here, and then we're going to clamp it down. There's 3 little clamps, one on each side and then one underneath here.
Okay.
So now once we do this, we're going to press OK, and then it will automatically flip our design or our name that we have that we're going to stitch onto our hoop.
Perfect.
And so we're just going to pretend we've already stitched that out. And then we're going to just take this off. Basically, there's these little clamps here. We're just going to basically push on those, slide our hat hoop to the right here, and then we're just going to slip it off.
Perfect.
And so it just seems to be very easy to do and fun. Make all the sorts of different designs. I know it'll be fun to do for like your kids' baseball, a baseball team or soccer teams. And so
awesome. Thanks, Lisa.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks for watching, girlfriends. Have a good one.